The Dabangg, Salman Khan's Midas touch, is not only evident in his films, TV shows or ads, but even when it comes to whatever he speaks. We bring you a glimpse of Salman captured at his witty best, and here's a collection of his top 5 moods just for you.
सलमान भाई क्या है म्यूजिक स्टैंडिंग?
खड़े खड़े म्यूजिक बनाना वो म्यूजिक स्टैंडिंग. How does it feel working at Presenter?
It feels great, Salman bhai. It's
Great in मतलब कैसा great? How? I mean, why you say great? Your first film, I mean, she's got years and years of
absolutely. That's
practice.
why I'm just like
Did you get to learn anything from her?
lots.
For example,
For example,
झूठ मत बोलो.
नहीं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा. She always tells me how to keep my feet straight.
How to keep your what?
feet straight and stand straight and screen, like how to be on screen. How is it different from like, and even my acting, like everything.
She taught you how to act.
A lot. Yes.
बाप रे बाप. अब क्या होगा? Is she bullying you on the sets?
A little bit.
Huh? One prank that she pulled on you.
I never pulled a prank on
No, she didn't.
So you guys were shooting in Paris.
Yes.
You shot only nights.
Most of them, but only also day. Days also, yes.
Huh?
Also days.
So
We
from
shot a
what
lot
time,
of days,
What time
but-
to what time you guys shot?
9 to 9. Regular.
9 in the night to 9 in the morning.
That too at times, yes.
How is that possible?
Actually, it's possible.
Yeah?
Why?
Because
No, the film is not about one night, Salman. It's not about one night. There are lots of days in the movie.
this is not a film that like
It's not a one night day.
One night
film.
day.
No, it's not a one night film. It starts with the night and it goes into various days and various nights.
how were the various days and various nights of shooting?
They were quite interesting.
Interesting मतलब
Interesting मतलब कि बहुत कुछ करने को मिला.
how is the chemistry between you and
You can see it for yourself.
Yeah.
You can see it for yourself.
it's a nice chemistry.
Thank you so much.
Preeti is like a really sweet boy, this guy, huh?
Yeah,
He's really nice.
Yes, he is.
Look at him, how sweet.
Why are you keep him, Salman?
I am not kichoing, yeah?
Bichara.
Sophie, don't you find him like really sweet?
He is very sweet, of course.
You're making fun of me calling everyone sweet?
No.
No, ये जितने भी सवाल पूछ रहे हैं कुछ जाने पहचाने टाइप सवाल लग रहे हैं ना. I think we've heard them.
Oh, so
Find
these
him
are
so
the...
sweet. Go and stand next to him. Why are you standing next to me? I'm hot. इधर जाओ, sweet.
सालों साल से वही पहनते आए हैं.
तो ऐसे जूते अवेलेबल हैं आप
जी हाँ वो जूते भी आ जाएंगे पहनने के लिए और मारने के लिए दोनों के लिए. हमने यहाँ तक के चोर बाजार से भी कपड़े खरीदे हैं. अर्लियर सेकेंड हैंड कपड़े खरीदे हैं चोर बाजार से क्योंकि वो अब फटी हुई जीन्स चली रही थी तो ऐसा कभी इसको नए सेकेंड हैंड खरीदते थे हम लोग चोर बाजार से कपड़े. ये उस टाइम फैशन स्ट्रीट से भी हमने कपड़े खरीदे हैं. सोहेल का एक अलग फंडा था. सोहेल नई जीन्स लेता था, गार्डन में जाता था, उतार के पैंट को और पूरी गंदी करके फाड़ फूड़ के पहनता था. सोहेल अभी भी वही करता है.
What prompted you to enter this CCL?
I play incredible cricket. I'm a better cricketer than I'm an actor, so that is the reason why I'm playing for this team.
And I like to ask,
Depending on how many down I am, I'll go those many wickets down.
बैटिंग आप अच्छी करते हैं या बॉलिंग अच्छी करते हैं? स्पिन करते हैं?
जी. सिर्फ स्विंग ही नहीं करता सर, बाकी हर चीज करता हूँ.
What preparations are made for this role?
Sir, I'll start off with playing football, then I'll move on to hockey, and then 1 week before, sir, I'll seriously concentrate on cricket. You don't like Big Boss?
I love Big Boss. What
Then-
about you?
then
Why do
cut-
you love Big Boss?
Khatam na then. If you like Big Boss, I have joined Big Boss just because you like Big Boss. It's just the connect. If I haven't lost it yet, then or perhaps If I've lost it, then I still have a better connect than I used to have it earlier.
प्रेस रिलीज पे लिखा हुआ है मोस्ट वांटेड होस्ट होगा दोस्तों का दोस्त और दुश्मनों का दुश्मन.
लिखा है ना?
जी लिखा है.
तो फिर सही होगा. तो मैं यहाँ पे नहीं बैठा होता. मैं भी उनके हाथ पैर बांध दूंगा ताकि अकेले शादी की.
काफी सारे जर्नलिस्ट पूछते हैं आपसे कि आप शादी करते हैं.
बहुत पुराना हो चुका है. आपके लिए रेडी हूँ, आपके लिए रेडी नहीं हूँ. आपके लिए शादी हो चुकी है, आपके लिए होने वाली है. कभी नहीं करूँगा, ब्रह्मचारी रहूँगा.